In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your connected calendar settings in HubSpot. First, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the top toolbar and locate the gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on that. By default, HubSpot will open on the General Settings section. From there, look for the Calendar tab and select it. This is where you'll find all the options to control how your calendar works with HubSpot. On this page, you'll see your calendar account settings. One of the main options you'll notice is Calendar Sync. Make sure this is enabled if you want HubSpot to communicate with your external calendar, such as Google or Outlook. Under this, there's a specific option called Tasks Calendar Sync. This allows you to create and connect a new calendar where your HubSpot tasks can appear. It's a helpful way to manage your to-dos directly from your calendar, so you don't have to constantly switch between tools. In the same area, you'll also see a Never Log section. Here you can specify certain domains or email addresses that you don't want HubSpot to log meetings and emails for automatically. This is especially useful if you want to keep internal conversations or personal contacts out of your CRM while still tracking customer interactions. Next, you can enable meeting scheduling pages. When this is turned on, HubSpot can use your connected calendar to show your availability to others. Under this option, you'll be able to select which calendars should be used to determine when you're free or busy. Make sure you choose all the calendars that reflect your actual availability so you avoid double bookings. You can also enable out-of-office calendar sync. When this is active, HubSpot can read your out-of-office events from your calendar and prevent people from booking time with you during those periods. Further down, you'll see a section for your meeting's URL. This is where you can edit your slug or the unique ending of your booking link. Choose something short, clear, and professional, since this is what you'll share with contacts. Right below that, you can choose your default meeting link. This is the main scheduling page HubSpot will use across tools like emails or chat. If you don't want to offer scheduling pages at all, you can turn them off under the scheduling pages section. Lastly, under Chat Profile, you can choose to include a link to your meeting's booking page directly in the Messages chat window. Turning this on makes it easy for visitors to book time with you while they're already chatting. And that's it. You've now seen how to customize your connected calendar settings in HubSpot so they match the way you work.